Hello tech lovers, today we're going to take a look at the Edifier R1850DB Bluetooth speakers. Nice set of bookshelf speakers. They've got wooden panelling with a nice grain in it. Black around the front as well with just the Edifier name at the bottom in silver. Good weight to them, they feel nice and heavy, and these are very well connected speakers. Around the back of the right speaker you've got the left out, power button, sub out, coaxial in, optical in, and two sets of phono ins. You've also got the treble, bass and volume controls around the back. These have a nice silver trim to them, and the bottom control also acts as the input selector. The left speaker simply has a speaker in, there's nothing else on the back, and there's a nice long wire to connect these two speakers together. So setup takes no time at all, simply plug in the two speakers, power them up, connect to source, and you're away. As well as the speakers, you get a little remote which takes a CR2025 battery. It's basic looking, but it does the job, gives you input selection and track control when connected to a Bluetooth device. The blue light at the front tells you which input you're on. You can actually remove this front panel to see the speakers, and input selection can be done via the remote, or there's the toggle around the back of this where if you push it in you can see the light changing colour as it cycles through the different inputs. So I'm going to test out these speakers now, and as you can see I've popped them either side of my rather large telly. The cable connecting the two speakers is plenty long enough to go behind that telly. It's plenty long enough actually to go right across this back wall. It's a really good length. So one of the good things about reviewing speakers is I get to test them by listening to music, watching films and playing some games. I tried these with a range of games. Here's Horizon 4, which has a cracking soundtrack, and even though it's got music pumping away in the background, you can still easily hear all the sound effects, or if you're in a game where there's talking, the vocals are nice and clear. You can see I've got a fairly large room, it filled that no problem. Bass and treble are controlled on the back of the speaker, but if you find you want a little bit more oomph, you can add an additional sub via the sub out. These have great stereo separation, and the volume easily fills the room and can go much louder than I expected. Edifier have done it again. They've produced a really nice sounding set of speakers for not very much money. If you're looking for a nice compact system that allows you to watch movies, play games, listen to music, you can connect these to your TV or to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth, then I think you should definitely check these out. I'll put a link in the description below. Please support me by clicking subscribe, joining my tech tribe, and I'll see you on the next review.